None of the fill color, make the stroke color black. Go to rectangular polygon and draw it. Rotate it. Go to edit, copy and paste in front. Make it small. Go to the direct selection tool, select this anchor and delete. Select this one and go to edit, copy and paste in front. Drag it to the upper. Go to the pen tool and delete this anchor. Go to the scissor tool and click here and here also delete it. Do it the same way. Select all and increase the stroke size. Go to the ellipse tool and make an ellipse. Copy and drag it by pressing the Alt key. Select this and make it a bit small. Select this and drag it a little bit up. Yeah, perfect. Select all and go to Object Expand. Select all and unite. Select it and ungroup. Pick the colors. Now for the text. Hope you enjoy this tutorial, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.